welcome to our channel. I'm Khushbu Khan and you're watching my channel Khushbu Khan. So welcome back. I'm sorry I was not uploading videos because I was really busy on Instagram and also with my studies, and so yeah, without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guess what, as you read by the tag, I'm gonna review this VIA Naturals 100% parabens and sulfate free turmeric brightening scrub. Actually, I really, I'm a huge fan of turmeric because at childhood, whenever I used to get tan, my mother used to just apply turmeric powder all over my body, and she used it to scrub very well, and I was a huge fan. But because of the time schedule, busy schedule, I didn't got that much time to make a paste and apply for the powder, and so I got this VIA Natural 100% pure turmeric brightening powder, which I really recommend to the people who have acne. So yeah, let's talk about the product first. The best thing about the product that I like is that it's 100% paraben and sulfate free, and it just costs 595 rupees, which is great. And you just need to mix this with curd or your any other toner or the same company toner you can use, and just make a paste and apply it all over your face or body, whatever you think. So it just removes the tan very much, and it has lots of good natural things in it, and I'm really loving this. It just gives you a instant glow. Why I'm talking all this, let's directly get into the demo. Let's begin with the mask. So I took the curd here. You have to take the exact amount of curd that you can totally use on your face, and if you want to use it on your body, I recommend you to take more. Now I'm taking this VIA Natural turmeric brightening face scrub, and first you need to apply it as a mask, then you need to scrub it after 10 minutes. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So I did a quite bit of turmeric powder in it so that it can form into a paste. Here is my mirror, so I'm just seeing there, please don't mind. Apply a thick layer of it on your face. So this is how the face mask look after applying. Now you need to keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will be back again, and I will show you that how to scrub your face with this. So please keep on watching. Watch it the demo there. I know that you definitely love this and you want to try it. Go and definitely buy that thing. Okay, let's talk about the pros of it. I think it really suited my skin, and the curds really make my skin feel so much cooler, and it just gives me a cooling sensation, which I definitely love. And one thing, my blemishes were really a little bit, it vanished. It was not that much red, but it just got a little bit vanished. I think using regularly this product will help you to get your skin out of pigmentation, out of blemishes. I think so, because it just did wonders for my skin at first use only. I don't know what it will do if I use it regularly. Weekly once I will use it definitely, and I'm really loving this product. So the pros are definitely clear. I think it's really very nice, and you can use it if you want a clearer and brighter skin. So turmeric has its antibacterial properties. so it helps to remove all the bacteria, kill the bacteria which causes pimples, breakouts. So I think this one is quite cool, and I'm really loving it, and I'm definitely gonna use it. And please don't waste your time and get yourself a turmeric brightening scrub urgently. And yeah guys, one more thing, if you don't you know, lots of people are allergic to the curd yogurt. So what you can do is that you can either mix a plain water, or you can either use a toner, so that will suit you. Toner also not you know, not suitable for you, then you can go for the plain water. I think that's really very cool. So yeah, this was my video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, then please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and also share with all your friends and recommend this product to everybody. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow with a new review. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.